ordinary path. I can't say it.
We're no ordinary path. I can't do it either. I'm tired. We're both tired and hungry.
Anyways, welcome. Y'all know who we are. If you don't,
N-O-P.
if you don't, guys, thank you for being here. That means you're brand new and we're excited that you're here. So make sure you give us a like.
Leave a comment below if you are new.
comment.
We love to meet new people.
And subscribe.
That's right. Definitely do that one.
Well, the Blue Ridge Parkway is certainly not the only scenic drive around here. Today, we're going to show you some epic waterfalls along 64 Highway near Highland, North Carolina.
This area of the country is known for two things: waterfalls and the fall foliage.
leaves. It's my birthday! You guys, I have to show you this. You probably won't be able to see it right now. We'll have to do another shot. I have a really beautiful original wedding ring from 18 years ago, and it has a beautiful stone, had a beautiful stone in it, and it kept coming out because unfortunately my prongs kept loosening up because I'm just too active for my wedding ring, you guys.
So somewhere out there are at least two really nice pieces of sand somewhere.
Yes. And then after the second time it happened, I told him, do not replace it a third time. I'm just gonna wear a simple wedding band, it's fine. He was like, no way.
So something new and special and pretty.
I love it so much. It's especially special to me because it's chocolate diamonds, which are kind of rare, and it looks like it has a path going through it, and yeah. He did really good.
I did good.
He did really good.
Yeah.
We've been out here chasing waterfalls today, which is exactly what I wanted to do, adventure with my family. It's been a great day.
I did have to shave the beard today, though.
Yeah.
So that's a little hamper on it.
Wah, wah. But I still think he's handsome.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go see some waterfalls.
So excited.
We're here at Sequoia Falls, I believe, and we're not sure exactly how to pronounce it, but
yeah,
I'll put
like
it at
that.
the bottom here. It is gorgeous, and it's not technically a waterfall.
It's sort of a cheater, but it's still worth totally seeing.
Completely. It's off of a lake. It's actually a spillway, right?
Yeah, but I mean, one part of the spillway, as you'll see, is natural. I don't know another way to describe it. It's really
really
cool. It's
neat.
worth
It's
seeing.
like a concrete
And it's
wall,
super
but the
easy to
water
get to.
is always spilling over it, so that's this long curtain of water, and then it naturally spills over rocks also, and down into a river down here, and it just cascades all the way down. So it is beautiful. It's not even a hike. It's just a little walk down to it. And it's
it's a good intro for our little waterfall tour here, which is this is number 1. And the next one's like literally just like, I don't know, maybe 50 yards down the road. So
Totally. Number 2 on our waterfall tour today is Bridal Falls, which is right behind us. It's this beautiful water cascading over the rocks, and it goes down underneath the highway here. And you used to be able to drive behind the falls here, but for a couple of years now, it's been closed due to safety. Probably someone didn't do something right and got hurt. Ruined it for everyone. I do want to give a special shout out to Scott Kirchman for recommending this fall, as well as Kulasaja Falls. I think I said that right. We're going to go to that one here in a little bit. It's on our list. It's so loud here. on our waterfall tour today is Dry Falls, which, as you can see, is a very ironic name considering it is anything but dry. The cool thing is you can take this path and you can walk all the way behind the falls. We're gonna see how dry we can be as we walk through. Another thing to note about this one is we are in the Nantahala National Forest right now, which means that this is part of the National Forest system and there is a $3 parking fee unless you have a National Park annual pass or, in our case, a 4th grader. This is Bust Your Butt Falls. And it's named so because, as you can see behind me, there is a rope down a slab of rock that people like to slide into the water. In the summer, this is a hoppin' swimming hole along 64 Highway here. It is gorgeous. We are at Kulasaja. No, Kulasaja. Say, what do you say? Cool.
Kulasaja.
Kulasaja. Kulasaja Falls. It is gorgeous. It's kind of hard to see from the road, but you can see it. There is
an unordinary path to take.
Yes. There
is. We may or we may not do it. According to all the stuff online that we found about it, it's listed as like hard or strenuous. There's a rope supposedly involved and a couple other things. We'll try to get some footage of it so we can see. If it looks too dangerous, we're not going to do it because we have the kids with us, obviously. So, but we're going to go take a look at it at least.
Yes, and also our kids are really good hikers, so we're going to see. We're going to see. We have to look and see. It's marked by pink ribbons, and it's apparently very steep and slippery. So,
and we'll see. We'll see.
Take a leap of faith, run with me. Clouds take on me, I'm worth your while. Honestly, I'm running a bit wide. Be brave, we don't need far too much, just stay brave beside me. Happy days, running on the open fields, yeah.
Well, that's it. I'm done. You know, it's over.
It feels like a mic drop. Let's leave.
Leave.
Leave, let's leave. Dad jokes, dad jokes. Okay,
I got a
we're
million.
really hungry. We need to go find something to eat for dinner. But
It has been a good day.
it has. It's been a wonderful day. Thank you, Scott Kirchman, for suggesting
Oh, yeah.
the Highland area. It did not disappoint.
Nope.
No.
Beautiful, beautiful leaves. I mean, it's a little bit higher elevation than a lot of other places, and we find that the leaves are a little brighter, a little more vivid.
Thanks for joining us this week. We will catch you on Tuesday, and we'll see you out there. You left me hanging. Ready?
And
we'll see.
one more time. We'll see you out there.